Welcome back to the channel. Well, it's been a bit. Sorry, I've been incredibly busy, as you can see. This is, don't mind the mess. This is just what you do when you're wiring. Yeah, so I've got all my harnesses completed. All the stuff is put together. I've just got to do the dash pod here now, which has got stuff like the alarm stuff, LED wiring. All this is just extra right now, so I have to cut this down and get this all correct. I was doing testing, make sure all the speakers were working, all the placements, all the wiring, make sure all the amps functioning. Do the standard electrical upgrades and stuff. The dash is in permanently, as you can see. I've got the top grill vent pieces in place. A lot of wiring changes, such as the way that the door lights function in comparison to the dome light versus the bed lights versus the lights that are going to go back here. So all that's done. I've set it up so I have timers. So, like, say for instance, you open up the door, the dash and door lights come on, but they only are on for 60 seconds. Then they automatically turn off. The vanity lights, those literally turn on and off with the door pin. So you can see here, like, say, let's see, watch. So let's see, I've just got it set for a short timer right now and stuff. All the other dash, I've got to go underneath here and clean up the rest of this, tie all my wiring together right here. This is the fuse block up underneath here. But yeah, you can see that right now. You can see the dome light comes on and then it goes off. And of course, that's just because I have the timer short right now. And that way, we don't have to worry about opening up the door and, wasting the battery and etc. Next will be obviously to finish up the engine, which is, set up the distributor and stuff, get that all ready to go. I've got all my hardware for the throttle and choke assemblies. I've got to get that ready to go. Right now I'm doing the brake and clutch assemblies, getting those mounted, and then I'm going to get those all screwed down. Let's see what else. Oh, this is just temporary. Don't mind this. That was I forgot ground to the engine. Yeah, and so I had to do that just temporarily. So, but I'm going to finish that out in a few minutes. Let's see. Wiper stuff's all done. Everything's done. I mean, more or less. Everything's tested also. So, all the hazard systems, all the stuff for this thing to become DOT legal and stuff is all ready to go. So all the lights work here. Gas tank is now done. I just got to put the fuel line assembly in. And hopefully within maybe about 4 or 5 hours, I start it. So good luck with me. All right. Thanks, guys. I'll talk to you later.